How to add local file access on Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your local files. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this more icon. Simply tap on more. So here you'll be able to find different options and settings. So here simply tap on settings. So I'm in the settings interface. Here on the third option, you'll be able to see local file access. Simply tap on it. So this is the place where you can add your local file. Now tap on add folder. Here you must add a specific folder or any type of book that you want to import. So the book or even the PDF that you import will be shown here, and later you can read it and even modify different things. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.